In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Remitly account. If you are looking for a simple and quick way to set up a Remitly account on your computer, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get started without any confusion. To begin, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Remitly website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen where you will find the Sign Up option. Click on it to start the registration process. After selecting Sign Up, you will be asked to enter your email address. Make sure you type it correctly, as this will be used for your account access and future notifications. Next, create a secure password that you can remember, then re-enter it to confirm that both entries match. Once everything is filled in correctly, proceed by clicking the Sign Up button. After completing the registration, you will be logged into your new Remitly account. At this stage, the platform will guide you through an initial setup page where it asks where you want to send money. This helps personalize your account based on your transfer needs. You will first need to select the country you are sending money from. After that, choose the destination country where you plan to send funds. These selections help Remitly tailor available services, exchange rates, and delivery options for your specific transfer route. Once you have selected both countries, click the Next button to continue. This will complete the basic setup process and take you into your main account dashboard. At this point, your account is successfully created and ready for use. It is important to note that you do not need to provide a phone number or complete additional verification during the initial sign-up process. These details can usually be added later when you are ready to make your first money transfer, depending on the platform's requirements. After your account is set up, you can explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the available features, such as sending money, checking exchange rates, and managing your profile settings. Taking a few minutes to understand the layout will make future transactions much smoother and more efficient. And that is how you can easily create a Remitly account on your PC in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.